tell myself you're not coming back. I don't wanna love you anymore. I don't wanna love you anymore. From the start, I say this before. I don't wanna love you anymore. Don't let it feel like it's the one that I was on, but when you were out of time, staring at the ceiling. How'd you change your mind just like that? Being the only way to get so sweet. Tell myself I'm not coming back. I don't wanna love you anymore.
Yeah, girl.
I don't wanna love you anymore. From the start, I say this before.
Tawid na ba tayo, girl? I don't wanna love you no more. Tawid tayo doon. Wait lang, saan tawiran? Tawid na tayo dyan? Saan? Saan yung daan, girl? Saan? Dito? Okay, okay. Girl. My shoes! My shoes! Ah! Ah!
You're my ocean, pain and blue. You, I'm nothing without you. Yeah, an angel that night you opens up my eyes. Lucky all the way to stars. You're the
My shoes! Konti na lang, Lord. Oh my God. Ah. Oh, videohan mo ko dyan. Kunyari, Japan.
Japan Life Pharmacy Macron.
Ay, si Koyo. Kuhaan mo ka ba?
Ha? Ayan na. Go, go. Go na. the moon. Ano?
Ito po kami sa Dubai, meron libreng water.
To the moon. Your moon. It's not working.
Working, okay girl.
Sa'yo daw.
Sister Sayo. Cheers! Thank you, Shukriya. Happy birthday.
Birthday niya po. Malapit na. 5 days to go.
Ano next? Ako na. So guys, here in Dubai, libre po ang vitamins.
Dumaalam po kayo sa Life Pharmacy. Hindi pa tatunaw yung ano.
Ay! Free! So we're now walking in the streets of Financial, guys.
Heading back to home.
We're going back home. Like that. Saan ba? Ouch. Kamusta ka naman, shoes? Okay ka lang? Kinaya mo yung ano, yung rough road. Kinaya ng shoes ko ang rough road. Thank you, Zara, for my boots. That it's been like 3 years na, pero buhay pa din siya. 2 years, yeah. I bought this because me and my Habibi likes to date every Sunday, so I want to surprise him with different aura. Kasi mahilig din siyang magbihis like ano. My Habibi is very guapo and handsome. Joke. Oh, ayan siya.
To the moon.
Ito na po yung magiging next girlfriend ni Paul Klein. Is Jesus Mighty Name?
Gawin kay Destiny. Ayaw nga Destiny Destiny sila.
Iba naman pag si Tess, si girlfriend, wifey Tess, ang kanyang napangasawa. Because of course, you also have a faithful heart like him. And he's gonna sing for you.
Gonna sing for me good parts.
Yeah. What is your favorite part of his song?
All those.
Because my friend here,
all of his songs,
my friend here really likes Lani.
Laney Band.
Laney
means Los Angeles and New York.
Yeah, that's why
That's
she's wearing
nice.
this LA
LA
cup.
and New York. Yes, I
Yeah.
love that. LA cup, LA jacket, LA socks.
Super LA. LA OOTD siya today.
Yeah.
While I'm
Oh,
halal.
show.
Well, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, my friend here is LA, OTD LA jacket and socks. And an LA, LA feet. California vibes. Yeah, because
See the Hollywood stars.
oh my god. Wait. Halal. Assalamualaikum. Okay.
So yummy the vitamins.
Yeah. I taught her not to
80s.
I'm 19. Oh my god, girl. Lord, it's my I'm turning 36 this February 6. So I am now ready to
February kulang.
Yes, ako.
Baby po siya.
February po ako pinanganak kaya ganito po ako, special child.
Special child po siya. May something sa kanya.
There's something in me that it's too much and less. There's cat. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow. Bigyan mo ng ano. Bye. William, you like this cat? Yung boss ko mahilig sa pusa.
There's nothing without you.
So, Dubai is malamig today. Ang yaman po na friend ko hanggang ngayon nakalive ako. Unlimited po ang wifi niya.
Yeah, unlimited po yung wifi connection ko anywhere, anytime. As long as I'm not empty battery.
Yes. So, ang binabayaran lang naman niya every month is
350.
5,000 pesos every month for internet. Because connection is very important for her business. Brother, I'm healthy living. Bye.
This is so cold.
Oh my
Your
God.
house is so near.
Oh my God. Thank you,
Dito
my
na ako.
sister. Dito ka na. Bye-bye. Love you. Thank you.
Bye.
Ingat ka.
See you.
Wait lang. Mag-bye muna tayo sa ating mga followers.
I will
Bye,
go
everyone. God bless you
because
all.
We separate halfways.
Yeah.
I'm living in World Trade near Bulbian. She's living in Financial Center.
Yeah, that's right. KFC. Hi, baby. KFC soon. Love you. Sister, magtumingin ka na. Wait lang, finish ko lang to!